and
She's used to working with shallots and onion.
no problem.
Oh! Get out of my kitchen, everyone. Just say, hey, I'm just going to order some starter apple. Hey. It's like chef, and then it's chef, and then it's chep, and it's jip. It's like you have all these different ways of saying my name. Oh my God.
Yeah!
Okay, let's do that again. Oi, Ibu and Ibu.
Yes.
The two Ibus. What are the two Ibus doing in the back there, hey? Seriously, come on. Let's do that again. It's time for a cup of tea and a beautiful chocolate chip cookie. This is a vegan version and it's delightful. And it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I know everybody behind these cameras would absolutely love that, wouldn't you? Good acting scores, everybody. Yay! Fuck yeah! Oh my God! Oh my God! We're gonna have to order another 20,000 copies.
Now?
Yeah, because they're gonna sell immediately. Oh my God!
No, seriously.
Look inside there, Wira. Look how fluffy that is. This is better. This is better than the last one.
This is better than what we practice.
Easy peasy.
Yeah. Good home. Oh my God.
So much love.
So fluffy, yeah? That's winning. Oh, it's
My
dripping.
private time with this cookie.
I need my private time with this cookie.
I'm serious.
Come on. All right. This is ready. Right now. And it smells great. Come on, can you smell it? The garlic is divine. Have a look at this. This is incredible. Boom! Oh, look at you and Eddie. Oh, I just couldn't resist, Wira. I couldn't resist.